I put two things, no?
Okay.
And
Don't tell about it. That's secret.
Okay.
That's secret.
Don't share it.
Don't share.
Okay.
It's a lot. It's a lot.
He makes very
Great. Okay.
I'm
So
getting late, no? So.
okay. Even if it's not cooked, I will have it. So he said that she's a very good cook. She can make the noodles very well. So let's check it out. So you've been cooking for a long time as well?
Yeah, 7 years.
Wow.
Around 7 years.
Nice.
I like
पैक
cooking.
कर देना है या
I like cooking.
Okay.
डब्बे में डालना है
No
या
wonder, because you have this place all about
Plate में.
Yeah. But
Little
my,
bit of-
my dream not like a small shop.
Yeah.
I have one dream.
Okay.
That is I want to open
Yeah.
big cafe.
Big cafe.
Yes, now I am doing the experiment and
Okay.
I am going to different types of cafe. Then
Yeah.
I will experiment.
Yeah.
Explore also.
Okay, I hope that dream comes true.
Yeah,
My best wishes. Personally, as a cook, what do you like to eat the most?
I like homemade food.
Like what?
anything. This one also I made like myself, no?
Okay.
Not too much things, only
Okay.
simple vegetables.
Okay,
And
looks good,
only
yeah.
I put two things, no?
Okay.
And
Don't tell about it. That's secret.
Okay.
That's secret.
Don't share it.
Don't share.
Okay.
You're too honest. Yeah, because you're a good person.
Yeah.
black bottles,
Yeah.
whatever you have.
She can't tell me the secret of her, magic. Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Emmanuel.
What do you like to do?
Cycling.
Great. I'll wait for your noodles. Once you're done, I'll taste it then.
Okay, you want to taste?
Yeah. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Thank you. So it's a lot. It's a lot.
Each portion.
I'll just taste it and see how it tastes. So and of course I'm not gonna do like a lot of people do, just because I had a word with them. I'll say, oh, this tastes perfect, But honestly, I'll just give my honest comments. Let's see how it tastes. So here's the noodle, and that's a huge portion. So you see. It's not bad. It's not bad, but it's light. But if I had to choose, I would choose the veg momo. That was the best out here. So done having the noodle. I was too full, so couldn't really finish it. At least I'll clean it a bit and get the water. So we'll move. And it was really nice meeting you, Mukti. And if someone wants to come here, and the place's name is called Oakley, and the address is Jorigaon. Okay, I don't have a big audience.
Yeah.
I'm just starting out. If someday someone watches the video, hopefully you get a few customers.
Sure,
Thank you.
definitely. Thank you so
And
much.
nice to meet you.
Bye.
I wish you good luck. And I remember your wife telling me that it's a dream for her to open a bigger cafe in Darjeeling or in Dehradun. So I hope that wish come true. Okay.
Sure, definitely.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care. So now it's finally stopped raining. Okay. Thank you for not splashing water on me. I'm looking for a bike to rent because transport out here is a little difficult to find. Cafe. Hello. 125 cc.
20 मिनट पहले तो हुआ था आपने दे दिया किसी को
Activity
आ नहीं रही मैं माई नहीं है कोई एक्सटेंड हो गई होगी मैं देखता हूँ 5 मिनट दो
So they are saying that they don't have the bike that we want. So they have something like this. But we had a discussion on the phone before. So he's looking for the bike that we want.
आप एक बार खुद ट्राई कर आप सेटिस्फाइड हो गए तो लेना
ठीक है. So this is like your home business.
मतलब
It's like a family
भैया है
business.
मतलब जहाँ फ्रेंड सर्किल है हमारा पूरा
So,
ना।
so
मेरा जिम है बाहर
what do you do?
मेरा जिम है बाहर
Oh, you have a gym?
Yes.
Like both of you guys are
हाँ,
partners. Nice.
और हम स्टूडेंट लीडर भी हैं यहाँ पे ना डीएवी कॉलेज में
Where is the gym?
आउट ये चौक है ना यहाँ पे चंदमणि चौक
Okay.
चंदमणि चौक अभी मैं एक बहुत अच्छा कार्यक्रम भी करा रहा हूँ मतलब प्रोग्राम करा रहा हूँ एक यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा
They are organizing a blood donation camp, and they have a gym. That's you.
Yes.
You look good in pictures.
Thank you. Yes. Thank you.
Where is it? Where are you? Just one. Okay. Still trying to fix the bike. He just said that he will change the battery, but let's try our luck. Looks like it's starting.
ट्राई कर लो.
Okay. I think that's the battery. This is the battery, right? Change
Yeah, we
cut.
placed it.
Okay. So I'll just take a trial round and I have to.
Can do and talk, but all of them are gone. Bikes are available if you are looking for a bike. But if you need a sporty only, these are available.
Okay, okay.
You
Even though
got
it's a
vehicle
little,
at least.
yeah, even though it's a little worn out, but I think we will be able to, just for one day. It's few hours, it should be okay.
In the evening, if you want to replace with a newer one.
That's okay. That's
can
okay.
do that.
That's okay. So done with the documentation, and then gave me a helmet, and this is the bike, and it's all washed. So I'm just checking the bike for any damage, so that later on, if there are any scratches from before, they cannot blame me for them. So I'm just checking.
I would like to give you the brand new and talk
No,
125 cc's we
that's
got.
okay, that's
but
okay.
In case I am just left with these two vehicles
Yeah,
and I
yeah,
don't
no
want to spoil your trip and
No worries,
your
no
time. So nice
Okay,
meeting
see you later.
Have a great ride.
Thank you. We just reached a cave, and like always it had to rain, so can't escape the rain, and people are just pulling out umbrellas and everything. This is like a natural stream, and the cave is somewhere out there, so they have stopped giving out tickets and people are just stuck here. So just got inside the cave, and this is the scene. Like people come here, they'll drink, take a shower in the stream, and that's all. It's full of people. I should get myself out of here. They walk down the stream. They walk down the stream. I think that's about it. I'm getting out of here. I know this is one of the very boring and shitty vlogs, but I'm not even sure if I will keep this part. But if I do, then just you get to see all these. That's it. So I was just walking down this road, and I just saw this temple, and I just prayed on the way, and then I just met this lady, and she said that she asked me where I'm from and where I'm going and all that, and she said just get some of the offerings from here, to eat. Okay, thank you. So this is like a offering. What's your name again?
Huh?
What's your name?
Jagesh.
Jagesh, thank you. You live nearby?
Huh?
You live nearby this place?
हाँ जी जी.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye.
What is your channel name?
It's KALL.
What?
I can show you in the move.
Phone, right phone. Phone.
There are cars.
अच्छा आप देख रहे हो ऊपर हो.
It's not big. I just started. It's small. Okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you.
Yeah. Bye. So this is the like a prasad. It's like an offering to the god, and then you're gonna have this once the puja is done. All right. So anyway, I'll have this and then head on and start the day. So I was living in an Airbnb towards the city side, and it got pretty noisy in the city, and so I decided I come to a different location, a secluded area. So here I found an Airbnb, just booked it, and then I was talking to a local, and she told me that before this is like a village, and before even they didn't have streets and everything, and now people started buying plots here. They build their houses, rent out for Airbnb, and now things are developing here. So I'll do one thing. I'll just check into the Airbnb. I will show you the space and also let you guys know about the price, and if you see if it's worth it. I feel the pictures were pretty okay. Hopefully not the same experience I had in Delhi where they photoshopped the pictures. Anyway, so now I'm heading to the Airbnb and I'll show you the place. So this is the place. This is the place, and there is a little gate. There's a little space here. This is the place I booked, and just leave my luggage here. Here's the kitchen, and I think Let me turn on the lights. There's a washroom. Looks pretty clean. Pretty clean. And yeah, here's the kitchen, and there's another door to outside. So that's about it. I'm just gonna get some rest. It's pretty basic, and this cost me around 1513 or 1518, around 1500 rupees per night. So I think that's a good deal, maybe because it's pretty secluded from the city.